We stand before you to present an English skit titled Nation's Call. Jyotisai, a boy from a middle class family, is sincere and hardworking. He loves to be with his friends. Now, let's have some glimpse from his school days.
Hey, teacher is coming.
Hey guys, he's fooling us.
Fooling us? Hey, don't get him.
Stand up! Why don't you wish me?
Your birthday.
Birthday to you.
Stop it! Wish me properly!
Happy birthday to you.
Stop it! Wish me good morning!
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, sit down. Attendance. Roll number 1. Absent. Roll number 2.
Present, ma'am.
Absent. Roll number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Roll number 4.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good. What? Good morning. Come here. Are you sleeping in the class?
No, ma'am.
Go and sit down.
Ma'am, they're right.
Okay, I'm going, but all of you submit your science classwork.
Ma'am is absent.
You won't get out of my class. I said get out. Go get a letter from anyone concerned, but don't enter my class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today, I have a surprise for all of you. I'll keep a surprise only just for you.
Ma'am,
Go sit down. Don't repeat this again.
sorry, ma'am.
Okay, my first question. Where is Statue of Liberty located? Yeah, you. Not you.
I guess it's in Republic of America.
Absolutely wrong. Sit down. Yeah, you.
Ma'am, I think it's in United States of America.
Somewhat correct, but I want the exact answer. Sit down. Yeah, you.
Ma'am, the United States of America.
Oh no, absolutely correct. Sit down. As you all know, MNC, that is Model National Corporation.
Ma'am, MNC means multinational company, no?
I know that. I was just testing you. Okay, my second question. When did India get independence? Yeah, you. Not you.
Ma'am, I think it is 1847.
Isn't it 1947?
I know, ma'am. I was just testing you.
What rubbish. Okay, today the time is up, but tomorrow with another surprise.
Where is Raju?
Well, his health has deteriorated. What? Detergent? No detergent. He was saying something like ration. Hey, it's not ration or not Dilma detergent. It's deterioration, which means his health has gone down. Yeah, I do hear he is suffering from acid
Hey, Miles, what is acidity?
Hey, it's not acidity, it's acidity.
No, it is acidity.
How?
If we say ACTIVITY as activity, then why can't we say ACIDITY as activity?
Oh, it's out of my reach. Let us consult our English teacher for the answer.
Hey, Vivek, come here. मेरे हाथ में मुझे जलन हो रही है, मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, तो ये प्रिंसिपल से कैसे कहूँ अंग्रेजी में यार?
It's simple, yeah. I doctor, I going, I coming, over.
What I doctor, I going, I coming?
Correct only.
ये तो अंग्रेजी बहुत आसान है यार.
No, is it wrong English? Yeah, you are correct.
Hey guys, see here. I doctor, I going, I coming. Wrong.
What discussion is going on, students?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sit down.
Ma'am, Ajit wants to go to eye doctor. He asked Vivek to translate his Hindi expression in English. He asked Vivek says, eye doctor, I going, I coming. Is it correct or not, ma'am?
It's absolutely wrong. You should not say like that. You should say, I have a problem in my eye, so I have to consult to a doctor. So please grant me one day leave.
Ma'am, Vivek has one doubt. He says, if we pronounce ACTVITY as activity, why can't we pronounce ACIDITY as activity?
Actually, the correct pronunciation is acidity. The way we speak English is different from the written form. While writing, we use only 26 alphabets. But while speaking, we use the phonetic transcription. That's the reason behind this.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, how to improve English?
First of all, you should start speaking English with your friends. You should not feel shy if you make mistakes like grammatical or pronunciation. Secondly, you should start reading English books, novels and listen to English news bulletin. This will help you to improve your English.
Ma'am, I'm doing all these things at home. Really, Shruti? Yeah, really, Mahesh.
Oh, that's really great. And not only you, but you all should do these all things to improve your English.
We'll follow, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Come on, boys. Let us take a pledge. From today onwards, we'll speak only in English.
Now it's time for him to choose his career. What is his choice? Motherland or abroad? Let's wait and watch.
Hello, Mr. Jyoti. I am coming from Chalas and Nicholas company, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Yes, sir. Why don't you join our company? We'll give you 3 lakhs monthly, a big, palatial house, a new model latest car for a personal use. But, where are you going to place me? Just in USA, sir. US?
Sir, hello. Sir, our offer is better than them. We give a hike every 6 months and also free 3 bedrooms apartment, beach, guest house, transport, medical insurance, what not?
But where are you going to place me?
Sir, Dubai.
Hi, sir. Why can't you join our company? We are the best.
Hello sir, we are leading in the share market. Please join our company.
But,
Sir, east or west, our company is the best, sir. Why can't you join your company?
but where are you going to place
Sir,
me?
Dubai.
Sir, England.
Gentlemen, please leave me. I don't want to work in any of your companies.
But why?
I want to work in my motherland. You all might be wondering why I declined their offers. The reason is, if I go and work in another country, how would my country progress? My working here will not make a great change, but here I can work with a satisfaction that I am doing my best for my country. If I stay here, I can set up a company through which I can employ a few people. Who knows? I may be able to inspire at least a few. We should all be proud for living in India, and we should all take pride being Indians. Live in India, serve India. Long